Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about questions of environment section in UPSC prelim this year. Now if we talk about the first question, it says with the reference of palm oil consider the following statement. So in this question, if you know it is not from Southeast Asia, it was from Africa, so that will be the correct option you can choose from. If we eliminate the first statement, you can eliminate all the three, B will be left, so answer will be option B. Now let's talk about the second question. Consider the following statement. The Global Ocean Commission grant license for seabed exploration and mining in international water. So if we talk about this question, United Nations Convention on Laws of Sea, that is the principal organization which grants like exploration and mining permission. So this is not the organization. So hence you can eliminate the first statement and answer will be option B. Now let's talk about the next question. Which one of the following can be used to prepare a natural mosquito repellent? अगर आपने Man and Wild देखा होगा Discovery पे, so you can easily answer this question. The lemongrass. Although I am kidding, if these kind of questions are there, if you know the answer, then only you can mark this kind of question. Otherwise, you do not have to go for another source to refer to such information, because these are the question which you can easily leave, because cut off आपकी 100 में से 100 मतलब 200 में से 200 नहीं जाती. So that's why this kind of question can be left. If we talk about this question, consider the following organisms: copepods, cyanobacteria, diatoms, foraminifera. If we talk about these, so diatoms is definitely there. If we talk about which are the primary producer, which among these are the primary producer, so cyanobacteria and diatoms are the correct answer. Sorry, we have marked this wrong. So answer will be option B. Now let's talk about the next question. That is, consider the following animal: hedgehogs, marmot and pangolins. To reduce the chance of capture by predator, which of the above organism rolls up and protects its and their vulnerable parts? So it is hedgehog and pangolins. So that's why the answer will be option D. With reference to New York Declaration on Forest, which of the following statement is correct? So yes, the first statement is correct. The first statement is correct. It is endorsed by United Nations Convention. So the first statement is correct. Wait a second. Yes, if we talk about this particular part, the first statement is correct. Yes, it is like United Nations Summit जो हुई थी 2014, it was endorsed in that. Yes, it talks about the second statement also. It is not legally binding. If you know the third statement is incorrect, so you can easily eliminate B and C part. And if you know the first statement is correct, you can easily come to the answer A. So this is how you can answer this. Now if we talk about magnetite, the particle suspected to cause neurodegenerative problems. So these are found in everything. It is found in brakes of motor vehicles, engines of motor vehicles, microwave stoves, that is microwave oven in your house, power plants and telephone lines. So the answer will be D. All of these statements are correct. Now let's talk about this question. Which of the following is filter feeder? So it's oyster, that is filter feeder. Now if we talk about in case of which of the following biogeochemical cycle, the weathering of rock is the main source of release of nutrient. Now this is the case if we talk about the carbon, it is mostly in the environment, nitrogen mostly in environment, sulfur we heard about SO2 and H2S, these are released from volcanic eruption and these are released from power plants. So only phosphorus is left, so answer will be C option. Now the 10th question, which of the following are detrivorous? If you know the first statement is correct, earthworm is the detrivorous, and you know seahorse is not a detrivorous, so the fourth statement is incorrect, so you can eliminate these options and answer will be option C. I hope you are clear with these kind of facts. common carbon matrix. It is related to the footprints of building operation around the world. It is recently designed by like UNEP support this thing, and it is for all the buildings, all the important buildings located across the globe. So it will be marking the carbon footprints of these buildings. Now let's talk about the next question. That is, which of the following species that can establish symbiotic relation with each other, with other organisms, sorry. If we talk about all the three, protozoa, fungi is like having symbiotic relation with the like dead bodies and dead matters, and like the grasses around it. So that is why the second statement is correct, and protozoa is the same case. And now if we talk about the all the three, like these threes all are like symbiotic in the symbiotic relationship. So that's why answer will be D option. R2 code or practice, it is constituted with the electronic like recycling and reuse policy. So that is R2 code, recycle and reuse. So that is A option. Now let's talk about the 14th question. Why is there a concern about copper smelting plants? If we talk about this question, it is easier for you to get almost to 50-50 stage, because in this part, yes, this is the question, sorry about the trouble. If we talk about this part, carbon monoxide, if you are not sure about this thing, carbon monoxide is produced, but yet you can reach the 50-50 statement, because majorly you find CuSO4 type of compound which we used to like hear about these things in class 10th NCERT when we talk about metallurgy. So that is where you can find copper sulfate over there. So this copper sulfate is having sulfur dioxide, means sulfur is there, and whenever we are extracting this ore, or you can say mineral, at that time sulfur dioxide will be produced, and slag of these can be leached to water body or environment. That is our trouble too. So these two are correct. So we will be reaching at this point where we have to reach from B, we have to search between B and D. So in that case I will tell you that carbon monoxide is also produced in this. So answer will be option D. Answer will be option D. Now let's talk about the 15th question. With reference to furnace oil, consider the following statement. It is a product of oil refinery. So this statement is incorrect. So that's why answer will be option B, 2 and 3 only. Now let's move to the next question. That is, what is blue carbon? Ocean और आपकी जो coastal ecosystem में जो carbon होता है, that is blue carbon, that is captured in that part. So that is blue carbon. Now if we talk about this particular question, fern, lichens, moss and mushrooms, which of the following found surviving in the soil surface without soil? So these fern, lichens and moss, these all can be found in this particular part. So answer will be your option D. Sorry, in this particular part they have incorrectly marked this thing. Look, lichens are there, mosses are there. So answer will be C option, not D. It is not D, it is C option. So that is it about the environment section. I hope you enjoyed this section. Thank you very much.